your documents. Okay, so second thing you need to know and be doing as a beginner investor, and the same thing applies whether you are intermediate or advanced. So set a goal or target that you know you can achieve and work towards it with full focus and determination. Everybody's income is different. So you will know from whatever you are earning every month. Okay, out of my salary, I can afford to invest 5,000 naira every month. It is not about how much you are investing. The most important thing is about your consistency. Your consistency. Okay, I can only afford 5,000 naira, and you do that 5,000 naira every month consistently for 1 year. Maybe after about 1 year, maybe your salary has gone up and you decide, okay, from 5,000 naira, I can now move it to 10,000 naira. And then you do 10,000 naira, maybe for about 2 years. After that, you realize, okay, your salary has gone up or you have some other means of making money. You want to decide, okay, now I can do 30,000 naira or 50,000 naira every month. And then you do it consistently. That is the most important thing, the consistency. But if this month you invest 50,000 naira buying some stocks, the next 3 months you did not buy anything, then you want to buy again, you buy another 10,000, and then 2 months again, you go low, you didn't do anything. That's not really the way to invest. You need to do it consistently. And you don't have to wait till the end of every month. There are times I buy stocks twice in a day. For example, maybe right now I think I have some money, maybe about 1,000 naira. And I know my 1,000 naira can buy maybe 3 or 4 units of Jitco. I will go online and buy 3 or 4 units. In the evening, probably some money came through for me. Maybe another 10,000 or 15,000 came through. And I can, this 10,000 naira, if I don't tie it to something tangible, I'm going to spend it. That same day, I can log in again into my stockbroker account and buy maybe 20 units of Jitco or 5 units of NIDF. So there are times in a month, I might buy stocks 3 or 4 times. There are times it may be once. It may be 3 times in one day. But the consistency is there. The consistency, there is not a single month that I did not buy stock. It may be 2 units, it may be 10 units, it may be 50 units, but every month I buy stocks. And I think you should cultivate the same habit. But it will help you more if you know what you can afford and then you set that as a goal and focus on it. Because if you are buying randomly, that is when you will be missing buying on some occasions. If you don't have a goal in mind, you don't have any specific amount, okay, this month I have 20,000, I will buy. Next month, even if you have 5,000, you'll be thinking, 5,000 is too small. I can still use this 5,000 naira to buy data or to do some other things. But if you already have a goal, you know that every month you must buy minimum of 5,000 naira. Then you follow your goal and do it. If you have more money, you buy more in that month. But in a worst case scenario, you buy the minimum that you have set for yourself. If you do that for 5 years, for 10 years, you will build good portfolio for yourself. And please, don't be a trader. There is nothing wrong with thinking 10 years from now, 15 years, 30 years from now, what are you going to live on if you don't have a very solid stock portfolio? Okay, you buy some shares now. After 3 years, the price has gone up, and now you sell it, you cash out. You come back again, you buy some stocks, you wait for 1 year, the price has gone up, you sell it, you cash out. By the time you are 60, you can no longer go out to hustle. You don't have any job anymore. Maybe you have retired. Then what are you going to live on? The worst thing that can happen to anybody is to be 60 years old and be looking at other people to give you money to meet your financial obligations. It's not really a good thing to be 60 years old and then still be looking at, oh, okay, maybe my children they will bring my monthly allowance. What if the children have their own problem they are struggling with? Okay, maybe my cousin who is a retired banker will help me. What if your cousin have his own problem? So the best thing is you have to sacrifice. It's a sacrifice. It's not easy. Buying stocks regularly every month. It's not easy. It's a sacrifice. You have to do that sacrifice and do it consistently. It's just my own advice. I mean, people will do their things whichever way they want to do it. But if you are maybe 40 years old or less, you're really, really at a very good advantage. As of today that I'm talking to you, you are at a very, very good advantage because if you are 40 years old now, even if you are investing 20,000 naira every month buying stocks, and maybe after a while, you decide to shift to that 20,000 naira every month, you start to use it to buy mutual fund like GT money market fund or Stanbic IBTC money market or something. And you do that consistently for the next 20 years, you will still build a solid portfolio. It's not about, oh, if I don't have 100,000 naira, then I can't buy stocks or I can't invest in mutual fund or I can't. You with 10,000 naira, if you are consistent and you do it long enough, you will build a good portfolio. Even with 20,000 naira, you can still build something good. And if you start small, when you start earning more money, it will be a lot easier for you to increase the amount you invest. Because when you are earning 100,000 naira as salary and you cannot take 10,000 naira out of it to invest in stocks or to buy a mutual fund or to save money and buy land or do something tangible, if you are earning 100,000 naira and you cannot save money, you cannot invest, by the time you start earning 300,000 naira, you're still not going to find it easy to invest because there will be too many things competing for your money. By the time you start earning 300,000 naira, then you'll be thinking, oh, I was using iPhone 12. Now I should buy iPhone 15. Because you have not made investing a priority. Because you are not thinking of when you will be 60 and you cannot go out to hustle. Even if you can still go out to hustle at 60, what if you have built a very good portfolio for yourself so that while you are hustling, you are making some money, additional money can come in for you while you are sleeping in terms of the dividend you will receive from your stock investing, in terms of the interest from your mutual fund. Anyway, so just think about it. Just think about it. Okay, so number